Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the TP-Link Kasa. It's the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Slim. Woo, that's a lot. Oh, and it has energy monitoring and it supports Matter, which is really kind of cool. And TP-Link sent us this for the quick look. All right, so what's in the box? Well, there's two. This happens to be a box that has two. It says it works with Alexa and Google Home, but it is Matter compatible. So we're going to try and plug it in and use Apple HomeKit, see if it brings it up in there. So let's take a look at what's in the box. And a little styrofoam and a whole bunch of cardboard. Let's see. Oh, a little quick start setup thing. All right. And two plugs. And they come as little cute little packages. So we'll take one of them out here. But you see it's got the Matter sticker on it, so that means it's supposed to work with Matter. And it has an on-off button here, and you just plug it in, and it does energy monitoring. So if you bring up the Kasa app, you'll be able to actually look and see how much power something's using that's plugged into it, which is, we find is a really handy feature. But it does come with two, so I'm going to open both up. And that's it. So they got two. So here they are, two Matter-enabled plugs. So you can bring them in to your Kasa app, and you should be able to bring it into anything else that's Matter compatible, hopefully. We're going to give that a try. If you want to have energy monitoring, you will need to pair the plug with the Kasa app. In the Kasa app, just click the plus and follow the prompt to select the Matter Smart Plug. Plug in the plug. Select Already Orange and Blue. The app should find the plug. Then enter your Wi-Fi info. Once connected, enter a name for it, and select a room it is located in. You then select an icon to represent it. Finally, it will check for a firmware update. That's it, all set. You can select the plug and turn it off and on. For adding via Matter, make sure the plug is reset. To reset, just hold in the power button until the light blinks blue and orange. Then select the Home app on your iPhone. Press the plus icon and then add accessory. Now scan the Matter QR code on the end of the plug. Select Add to Apple Home. Once connected, select the room and name it. Plus, define how to display it, fan, light, or outlet. That's it. Now you can turn the plug on and off from Apple Home. By the way, when you first see the plug listed, it may say no response. Just click it and toggle it. It will connect. Then you will see it correctly in the Home app. Keep in mind though, you cannot monitor power use in HomeKit. Since it is a Matter plug, you can add it to other Matter controllers. We added ours to SmartThings. Select the plug and then the gear icon in the bottom. Scroll to the bottom and select Turn on Pairing Mode. Now copy the code in the pop-up. You need it in SmartThings. Navigate to the SmartThings app. Select Plus and Add Device. Under Other Methods, select Enter Code. Paste the code into the pop-up. If you have more than one hub, select the one you want. We have the SmartThings station, so we selected that. Select Add to iCloud account. Once found, name it. Keep in mind, when you're done, HomeKit will have one name and SmartThings this other name. But it will still be the same plug, and both HomeKit and SmartThings will control it and report its state. SmartThings will finish connecting, and then you can select the room. All set. Now you can turn it on and off with SmartThings. And of course, HomeKit too. That's it. That's the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Slim. And by the way, I like the Slim because it means I've already tried it. You can put both of them together on your wall outlet, which is really kind of nice. So that's it. Thank you for watching.